Okay, so the world is falling apart, an alien invasion is upon us, and you're locked in your house for 2 weeks. Or maybe you just want to stay away from people. Whatever the case is, I'm bored at home expert Singh Zima, and I'm here to tell you 15 things you can do while you're at home bored. Okay, first of all, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. You can sing the happy birthday song twice while washing to make sure you've done it for long enough. Throughout the day, remember to keep your hands sanitized with sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol. If you have to sneeze or cough, do so in your elbows or in a piece of tissue and dispose of it immediately. If there are things like door handles that people touch commonly in your house, occasionally wipe them down. This will keep germs from spreading. Honestly, you can be like me and cook. It doesn't matter if you're a master chef or if you're just beginning to cook. I'm sure there are many beginner recipes that you can look up and try when you have the time. You can also look up budget meals on YouTube. In fact, enjoy this extremely detailed tutorial in the background. After you're done gaining about 10 pounds, it's time to exercise. You can do push-ups, crunches, bench presses, lunges, and the list goes on. There are endless exercises to kill time. Now you're tired, so catch up on some sleep. You have the break now, so utilize it. Here are a few sleeping positions you can try. You've been putting it off, so now you can finally clean your room or closet or anywhere for that matter. I'm sure there are a few chores around the house that you can do, or maybe you've wanted to do some purging for a while to get rid of those old outfits. Now is the best time to do these, and you'll honestly feel amazing after. The most comfortable and common way to kill time is through YouTube or other social media. These are fun, but you probably know that you'll get sucked into a click hole and end up watching a weird video like this one. Now it's also a good time to start making some TikToks, so practice your dancing skill. Hopefully you guys aren't as bad as I am. Learn to play an instrument. Learn a valuable skill, such as bottle flipping. This teaches you patience and focus, and it's also a cool way to impress your friends. If you're like me and you have some old toys, go play with them. You have nothing better to do anyways, so grab your siblings' toys or yours and have fun. The next thing you can do is watch movies. All you have to do is make a free Netflix account. Try it now. See plans. Wait. No, never mind. Just exit that. 1, 2, 3 movies. Dora the Explorer. I'm definitely not a robot. I don't know why they still even use these things. And voila, there you go. You can also spend some time with your family, develop that bond with your siblings or parents, and get to know each other more. For me, I just played games with my brother and had fun. Now let's meditate. After all that, it's good to have a bath, to be honest. Feeling clean is amazing, and it doesn't hurt to just take a quick shower. Alright guys, so that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys found some things that you could do, and also if you have things that you have done, leave a comment down below and let me know what you've been doing to pastime. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.